So guys, to begin with, we have to make something like this, another one of this, and you can follow the size of your bras. So you are sure that it will fit on you. So for this project, guys, we will be using 3mm hooks, and then this kind of yarn, this type of yarn. So 100% polyester. It's polyester type, so it's really soft and it's not hairy. So let's start by making 13 chains. So we have to make a chain, and then we'll start counting from one here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Then from here we are going back to here on from 1 2 3. So we'll go back here on the third chain. Go back here on the third chain. So grab, go through and grab. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11th chain. Then we have to turn it upside down, and one, then on the first hole, go through and then grab. This is very easy. It's a single crochet for now. 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now that we're already in the 10th chain, guys, we have to go here, the 11th, and then make 3 chains, 3 crochets in the same chain. 1 2, oops, sorry, 3. And then you have to start counting again here. 1. And then what I'm doing, guys, is that I'm not going this side because otherwise it will be too very see-through. So what I'm doing is I will be going here in this hole here. 1. Just follow what I'm doing, and so the hole is not that big because I didn't use the holes on the sides. I didn't use the chains rather on the side. So since we are there already, guys, what we have to do is we will add another chain 1, and then we will go back again and we'll do the same thing like what we did on the first round. 1 2 So what you have to do, guys, is that here is our here is where we started. So we have to follow where we made 3 crochet in a single chain. So we have to go here in the middle, and then make 3 chains again. So it's already 3. And then go back again. You only have to make sure that you are making 3 crochets in the same chain in the middle. So we'll go back again, always add another one, then go back, and I will get back to you again later, guys, when we are on this side here, on the double crochet, and also the sides and the straps. So guys, we're now done making 9 rounds. So we have to start on here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's already 9 rounds. Then we will have to start doing double crochet. 1 2 2 1. We have to start here in the very first chain and do this. So you only have to do the same, make 3 crochet on the same chain in the middle. So is this it's a bit faster now because it's a double crochet. So guys, we're already here in the middle. As you can see here, we'll go here and then make 3 chains, 3 crochets on the same chain. 1 2 and 3. So that's it, guys. And then go around again, and then after that go back to do another round, and we will have different design again before we make our strap. We're now done, guys. 9 rounds of single crochet and 2 rounds of double crochet. Now we will be doing the last design for the sides. 1 2, and then go here. 1 2 3. So grab it and grab, and 1 2. Then we have to skip 1 chain here, so we have to skip. We will go directly here. 1 2 3, and then go through. See, we are trying to achieve this effect. 1 locked, 2, then we have to skip again. 1 2 3, and then pull through. Up. 1. So guys, as you can see, I only was able to grab 2 because we're already in the middle on top, so we have to do that. And then we will start now making our straps. So for now, single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5. We have to make 200 single crochet for now. So guys, we're now done with our 200 single crochet for now for our strap, because we are trying to achieve this. So we are going, instead of going back from where we stopped here, we are going to this side because I like it. I like how strong our strap will be if we will start from here. So we will start from here, this hole, and then 1 2, and then 1 2 3. So we will skip again. 1 2 3. To try also comparing to the first one, see? Now we will go here in a second. So this is how easy it is, guys. Just keep on doing this until we reach on the edge of our strap. After we're done with our 200 crochet for the strap, then we are going to lock them together, this one. So we just do this, only have to tie them together. So it's done. The next step will be, we will make 1 2 12 13 14. So 14, it's long enough, and we will go directly here. Let me see, that's how it is. And then do this and this. So you only have to do that, just single crochet for now. Now that we're done here, we will hold it like this. Then we will tie them together by doing this. See, that's how it is, guys. That's how easy it is. Then so guys, there it is now. Looks like a bra already, as you can see. So what we have to do is we are going also to make 14 of one single crochet, 2 3 4 13 14. So 14 here and 14 also here. Now we will be doing double crochet after this. So I will be adding additional 2 because you have to do this. We have to do the double crochet. So from here we have to count 1 2 3 1 2 third chain rather, sorry guys. Only have to do it second add 2 double crochet for now. I think you already know the double crochet because I've shown you earlier to the from beginning. This one I already showed you how to do this, so just keep on doing it depending on how many rounds you want. But maybe with mine I'll be doing 6 or 5 rounds, then I'll get back to you later guys when I'm done with it and when I am going to change with styles. So guys, I told you that we will be making 5 or 6, but I made 8 I think of rounds of double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we will be making a different design and then after that it will be the second to the last design. So 1 2, then this 1 2 3, and then pull through, then 1 2, and then we will skip one chain, then go directly to the second 1 2. I already did this the first to the in here. I already did it in here, so you can just follow that steps also. So pull through again. So I was just letting you see if there will be a changes of designs. So we do it 1, another 1, and then 1 2, and pull through that and go here, the next chain. Yeah, that's how it has to be. And 1 2, then 1 2, and 1 2. So that's how it looks like now. 1 2, and then 1. So 1 2, 1 2. So guys, we're now done, totally done here. So the last thing we have to do is to make where we are going to go through our straps. So 1 2 3, we will go through here, then 1 2 3, and go through here again, So 1 2 3, and then here we already have 3. 1 2 3 here, and for the last one, 1 2 3. So that's it. We have now here 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have to close it. Then we have to hide this yarn, the excess yarn. This is how I'm hiding it. If you have a needle, you can also use needle, but I want to first secure, then just keep on grabbing it here. That's it. And then we will make again also to the other side. So guys, we're done now here. So we will be touching already. Wait, I will adjust a little. So from here we have to go through here, so it will have to be X form like that. So what guys is this. I grab the small yarn and attach them. Then I use the copper wire for the beads to go through. Then just tie them like this. It will be secured because it has small holes. So guys, I made a single crochet of this for our place here, for our strap here. So it's just optional. If you wanted to leave it like that, then you can just leave it like that. But if you are not really comfortable with it, you can do this. You can make something like this. And besides, it's just super easy, and it's additional design also. So just do it like this, and it's super easy. And so here it is now, guys. It looks pretty because we put some pearl. So that's how it looks like. So pretty. So thank you so much for watching.